Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Lego Crocodile Locomotive 10277. This is a 18 plus set, so it's just got the 18 plus branding on the box. It has 1,271 pieces, decent build. As you can see, it has two side carriages on each side, so we'll take them off. Take a look at that. This is one of the carriages here. It is exactly the same for the other side. There is really no difference between the two carriages that we have at each end. This is the main body. As you can see, it's very nice, and it does not come with any power functions included, but you can see on the inside here you have your two minifigures and their little cargo stations. But if we decide to pull out this piece here, or if it's going to come out, on the inside here we have gearing, which this piece came out and now it's falling apart on me, but you have gearing here that you can connect power functions motor to, and battery box in one side, and that lets you make this train motorized. But yeah, that's the inside, and that's the body of the carriage. Let's just put these pieces back on. There we go. These parts adjust with the height, just like that, and same on the other side. It does come with a pretty fancy Lego manual, as you can see. Nice thick booklet, printed on very good paper. But the overall build didn't take that long, not that hard really, pretty simple actually. But as you can see, that is the train, and it's a nice set. Yeah, you have a little detail panel here that has all the details of what the train could do in real life, but this is the whole entire train as you can see it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this little review, even though I didn't really say anything. But yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.